everyone, it's Mary and welcome back to With Love Designs. Today we will be making a coin purse treat holder. So this die set that we'll be using is by Alina Cutle. Again, one of her new releases. Her dies are pretty amazing. They cut really well. You have the main part of the purse, then you've got the little closure, the clutch closure, and then you've got a 10 cents, $1, and 50 cents coins, and then you've got, I call these cherry blossoms, and then the middle parts of it inside. This die, or those two dies, actually make something similar like this. So I just decided to do, contrasting colors, and so I thought it was really pretty. To me, again, they're like cherry blossoms, and I love cherry blossoms, so I was really excited to see to get this set. All right, so you'll need two pieces. You'll need two base with tape on each side, and then two clutch or two closures, and then I always put a ribbon to kind of finish it off. This doesn't come with the die set, but you can always put something similar or any of your liking. All right, so pretty quick and easy, so let's get started. Alright guys, so that is the project. Pretty easy. I love how quick it came together, and just it's a cute little coin purse. So what do I put in it? As far as candies, you could definitely fit some hugs or kisses in there. You can definitely, and you probably can fit more. I only put 3, but let's put 6. So there's 6 in there. I like doves, so you can put some doves in here. You probably can also put Ghirardelli, the square ones, in here. So really, the type of candy is your choice. It holds a lot of candies, and let's see. I've got my little hand sanitizer. It does fit, so if you want to gift that for somebody, you can even put it sideways so that fits. You can put a lip balm in there. I did try that. I think it's going to be angled, a little bit angled, but it does fit in there as well. Or you could put it all the way down and it fits. It does not fit like a mascara, it just sticks out, but that's your theme, you want to do it. I mean, it's still cute, but I like to kind of have it housed properly. So for me, it's a lip balm for sure. Just for fun, here's a gift card, and it technically fits, but it'll be standing up. But I guess you could do that with maybe hand sanitizer. Still very cute. I'm not planning on putting any closures on this one. I'm just going to leave it open. Just because I plan on selling these as treat holders, just really small gifts, and I'll bring some samples for them to kind of give my customers an idea what you can fit in these little cute coin purse holder. Anyways, so this is the one we made together. It's pretty quick, and I love the little lollipops. This one, these papers I got from Michael's last year, Christmas paper. But here's the other one all the way through. And then same paper pack with Santa. This one is actually the cherry blossoms that come with it, or the dice that come with it. And I just loved how it turned out by alternating contrasting colors and putting something really pretty in the middle. Sparkles, of course, right? And then this is light pink. I don't know if you can see. And then the blue. This combo, I like the combo colors. I have a tendency when I make cherry blossom projects, I always leave the background blue because it's beautiful together. So again, those are the cherry blossoms. Very, very nice. I love the little, just like cherry blossoms, the leaves or the petals. And then my last one is this one here. This one is, the dies here are actually from KS Craft. Look at the details on this one, right? It's amazing. So you can fluff it up to make it even more 3D. So fluff it up. It's just very, very pretty. So here's from the side and the angles. So it's pretty nice, and I like it. Anyways, the dies that I did use, I'm sorry, it was by KS Craft, and here you've got, you can make, it cuts 4 petals each, and you get 3 different sizes, and the green parts, these right here, are supposed to be leaves, or, you know, to get contrast the poinsettias. I think it's really cool. So let me know, guys, what you guys think, and hopefully you guys liked it. I will link the KS Craft poinsettia dies in my description if you guys are interested. She does have those in stock. Thank you for your time. Hopefully you enjoyed this project. Hopefully you get to grab one of these dice of your own soon, and have a good day and have a good week, and see you again soon. Thank you, guys. Bye.